Srinivasarao garu is a great actor. Nobody can compensate his death, replace him. He worked for the last 4 decades. He acted 750 films. He acted not only in Telugu, Kannada, Tamil and also Hindi. He had a track record of acting in films nearly 750 films. He got 7 Nandi Awards and also he worked as MLA also for 5 years. I was very happy to associate with him as public representative. When I was CM, he was MLA. He has done tremendous public service at that time. Today, we are all unable to digest his death. Anyway, he has done extremely well for the welfare of the people, and also he contributed for the Telugu film industry and other film industry also.